Welcome back to the video series on online classes made classic, prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. Points discussed here are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse, they can explore, and they can have their own innovative ideas to make their online classes effective. Word search puzzle. We are continuously seeing interactive worksheets at liveworksheets.com. In this video, you will learn how to create word search puzzle at liveworksheets.com. Then how to share the interactive worksheets with students. What is this word search puzzle? A grid like this will be given to the children with a list of words to be identified. Now you are seeing this grid may be either 10 cross 10 or 15 cross 15 or 20 cross 20, and where they have to identify the words given by searching it. Now the words which are given on the right side may appear in this grid of letters either from left to right or from right to left or top to bottom, bottom to top, or in a diagonal manner, whatever may be. For example, I am just seeing here one letter called array. Now a child has identified this word, he will either circle it or he will simply cut it. There are certain words which will share certain letters also. Therefore, this is word search puzzle. You have to give the words and you have to ask them to search the words. Okay, well, what you have to do now? Prepare worksheets with questions and grid for word search puzzle and save the worksheet as a PDF or JPG file. Now a question comes, how to make that grid of word search puzzle? Because I am having with me some 4 words, I want them to be arranged in such a way that a child can identify it either from left to right or right to left or from top to bottom, bottom to top, like that. For that, I am giving you a website. You type in the Google word search puzzle maker. It will take you to so many puzzle makers websites, in which the first one I will select. You select it, where it will ask you to write the number. I will call it as plain figures. It will ask you the letters across. I will take 10. For example, I will take 10 out of 10, 10 cross 10. Okay, here it's such options for you. Use each letter only once. Therefore, all of them will be identically done by the child. Share letters occasionally. For example, square and triangle will share, or it will share it. Or you can ask it to share letters occasionally, or you can ask it to share letter as much as possible, where it will be so much zigzag will be there. Therefore, let me take that share letter occasionally. How that output you want? It may be either HTML. I will select this text so that I can copy it, enter your words. Now these words can be with commas. For example, let me take circle, let me take triangle, let me take square, let me take polygon. Okay, that's all. I have taken only 4. Let me create my puzzle. Now the puzzle is created. You are seeing on the left side, you are seeing one grid which is formed. The letters which you have given, it is hiding here. Now what is the duty of the child? He has to find it. Now you can copy it by just clicking this print this page. You can save it as a PDF. You can save it. It will save as word search puzzle. I am saving it, and you can open it and you can copy it. All of you know that how it should be done. I'm just opening it. Now this has come now. I will make it big, and you can go to this edit and you can go for this take a snapshot, and you can copy it and then you can paste it in the Word file. Okay, now I will show you how I have done this. Okay, now I will show you how I have done. This is the puzzle, word search puzzle I have made. Here I have asked them some questions. Identify the following plain figures. Therefore, these plain figures will have 4 answers. For example, the first one will have answer as triangle. The second one will have the answer as square. The third one will have the answer as polygon. The fourth one will have the answer as circle. Now, all these 4 words, they have to identify in this grid. This grid I made by that, and I I have simply copied it over here. Okay, now this is the way to do it. First you make the grid and first fix the words for which you are going to ask the child. Then using those words you search the puzzle, word search puzzle grid, you make it. But don't make it very big. I think I have made 10 cross 10. Okay, all of you know that how to start. We have to go to liveworksheets.com, log in, go to this make interactive worksheets and get started. Okay, well, I have started now. Okay, choose file. It is there in my live worksheets. The name of it is plain figures. I'm opening it and I'm uploading it. It has got uploaded now. Now I want to just ask the answers for this. I think all of you know that the better way to get the perfect answer is the drop down. How to get the drop down? Already I have typed the answers now. The correct answer, all the options //. Before the correct answer, you have to put a star. I have put a star. Okay. This I will copy it first. Very quickly I will do. This I will copy because for the first one, I want the answer to be triangle. Where I will put one box and I will type. As all of you know, choose full colon. Then that one to be typed. Okay. Now for the second one, the answer should be square. I'm just going for it. And I am making a box. The space is there already. Please be careful with the space. I have made it. Okay, now with the 3 sides, plain figure with more than 3 sides, I want them to have only these 3 options because they should not get confused. Okay, now I will make a box over here and I will type CHOOSE, then Control V. Well, now this I am having enough space. I will copy this because I want the circle should be the answer. I am coming over here and I am clicking okay. Now this the grid, I want to convert it into a word search puzzle. For that, what you have to do, please go for the steps. Okay, box the grid with the letters for the word puzzle and type simply word search. Okay, then fix the size of the square grid, then click the correct words and then save the file. Box the grid with the letters from the word puzzle. Already I have pasted it there, the grid. You have to simply box it and type word search. Fix the size of the square grid, click the correct words, then save it. You have to a little bit carefully do it. Let us come back. Okay, now let me box it. I will try. I will come down, please come down. I think it is coming down. Okay, I will a little bit reduce the size of it. Okay, I have reduced the size of it. That is the one you may find it a little bit difficult. I'm making exactly a box of it. I'm just exactly making a box. Okay, here put the cursor. What you have to type now? Word SEARCH, word search. Immediately it will ask you. Okay, I will just a little bit make it. Okay, what are the number of rows I have taken? 10 I have taken. 10 and number of column is also 10, and then I'm simply saving it. Now you see it has already made it now. Now what you have to do now, you have to take only that 4 letters you have to identify. Therefore better you identify earlier itself, otherwise you will have a little bit confusion. Okay, now I will go for circle now. If you see circle is here, CIRCLE. You simply click it and then leave it. Okay, now polygon, I have to search for polygon. Let me search for polygon. Okay, polygon is here, POLYGON. You see, highly interesting. It is coming in a little bit diagonal way, polygon. Then square. I think the square is here, SQUARE. Okay, now E is being shared. I hope so. And then I think I want the last one as triangle. Okay, triangle is come over here, TRIANGLE. Okay, very good. Now I think I got all of them ready now. You know what you have to do now. You can either have a preview or I will want to save it. Okay, let me save it. Okay, I want to keep it as a private. Let me type it as word search plain figures. PLANE plain figures. That's it. Well, it was solved. Open the worksheet now. The worksheet is being shown now. You see, when the child comes over here, is having these options. The first option, plain figure with 3 sides and 3 angle triangle. Plain figure with 4 sides and all of them are equal 90 degrees. It is a square. Plain figure with more than 3 sides. It is a polygon. And A shape consists of all the points that are given. Fixed point. You have to just simply type it. I think you have to type it as circle. Okay, anyway, I think that option didn't come over here. Now a child, what he will do? He will search this. I think all of you know that the same thing, it is there, and you have to just tell that how a child will do it. Now the child will do like this, CIRCLE, he will search it. Then he will go for, okay, now I have to search for a polygon, where that will be POLYG. Anyway, the way you have done it, the child also will be doing the same thing. I think I want the square now, SQUARE. Okay, square has got it. Triangle, I think it is over here, TRIANGLE. Okay, now he will finish it. Now all of you know that he can give you the email by typing the full name and group level, school subject, enter your teacher email or key code. Already we have discussed this, and he can check his answers also. You can check the answers also. Okay, well, I think this one is having some problem. Okay, you know how to make it. Okay, well, this is the way to do it. Now you just come back to this my worksheets. In that my worksheets, I am having this in private. All of you know that what it can be done. Now it can be done like this. Okay. Now I think all of you know that if you just feel that, sir, there is a mistake I have already done. For that circle, I am having some confusion. What you can do is you can edit it and then check out that actually what happened to it. I think here, I think I have not typed that choose. Okay, I have not typed it. Okay, let me type choose. I think that was a mistake I have made. Choose. I think this one has to come over there. I think choosing was not there. That is why it is not taking it. Choose. Okay, well, I think you got it, I think. Now I will once again, I will save it. Anyway, one mistake I have done. Okay, now if you want to save it once again, it will ask you replace the existing worksheet or save as a new one. Replace the existing worksheet is always better to do it. I want to keep it as private and replace the existing worksheet. Save the worksheet, which means that the same thing will be saved now. You see, when you open the worksheet, you see now this is coming. You see it is coming now. Drop down is coming. But we didn't type that choose. Therefore, be careful. For whenever you have made any worksheet, you just see it once. That preview, you see it once, or you just play it once. You check out whether you are getting the correct answer. Now it's highly interesting. Suppose this is actually done it with mathematics. Suppose English teachers, I think they can do wonders with that. Suppose if you are science teachers, always remember, first you ask some questions, let them get the words. Then from the words, let them go down and then search the words over here. Therefore, now for them the spelling is also will come and they will really enjoy this word search puzzle. Therefore, it is very easy. Please make the grid first, make everything ready. Come back to this live worksheets.com and make it and enjoy it. Thank you, friends. The next type of worksheet will be discussed in the next video. Bye.